Hey everybody, AJ is here. Our shooting training for today is simple to build. You only need 5 cones, ball and 2 players minimum. We start as you see in the picture. You should put 2 cones with a 3.5 meters apart and spacing between the players 1.5 meter. Now let's start our training. It's composed of passes, touching the cone, going for space and then shoot. It will start with a specified number of passes between the attacker and defender, which is mainly minimum 4 passes. Knowing that the ball will start with the attacker to pass. So now, my friends, after playing 3 passes and before playing the last one from the defender, the coach must specify a color either by pointing or shouting. Where the defender will go for touching the cone, at the same time the attacker has to receive the ball with 2 touches to go toward the space and then shoot. So after the defender touches the cone, he must defend the ball immediately.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm